If your outlet is too close to water, not having ground fault circuit interrupter protection can seriously mess things up and even be dangerous. So, first off, you gotta know why GFCI outlets are a must near water sources like sinks, bathtubs, or outdoors. They cut power super fast if they detect any electrical faults, which helps keep you safe from shocks. If you don't have one already, swapping your regular outlet for a GFCI is pretty straightforward. Just turn off the power, remove the old outlet, and install the new GFCI following the instructions, or ask a pro if you're not sure. Make sure the outlet's in a spot that's easy to reach, but not right where it can get splashed all the time. Also, test the GFCI regularly by hitting the test button to make sure it's working right. If you're dealing with multiple outlets near water, consider installing GFCI breakers in your panel for extra protection. Remember, safety first. Don't try this if you're not comfortable with electrical stuff. Hire an electrician. Keeping those outlets safe can save you from big headaches and costly repairs later on. One of the biggest mistakes people make with outlets near water is not using GFCI protection at all, which can lead to serious shock hazards. Fix that by installing GFCI outlets or breakers right away. Another common issue is putting outlets way too close to sinks or tubs, where water splashes all the time. Move them or add splash guards if possible. Lastly, ignoring regular testing of your GFCI outlets is a big no-no because they can fail without you knowing. Just press the test and reset buttons monthly to keep them in check. BigHomeProjects.com makes it super easy for homeowners to find trusted local contractors who know their stuff about electrical safety and outlet installations. At the same time, contractors get a steady stream of work by connecting with people who really need their skills.